Hello, welcome to our reception music assembly. Now, I didn't say singing assembly because we're not going to have singing assemblies at the moment. To keep us all safe, we're going to not do some of the things that we used to do just for the moment that make us breathe out a lot and might spread some germs because we don't want to do that. Instead, we're going to have a music appreciation lesson. That sounds very grand, doesn't it? Music appreciation. Don't worry. What it actually means is we're going to do some lovely drawing while we're listening to music. Now, hopefully you are sitting with a piece of paper and some drawing pencils in front of you. If you haven't got those things yet, pause the video and go and get that set up. When everybody's ready with drawing things in front of them, then I'll go on, okay? Good. So, what we're going to do is listen to a piece of music by a man who lived a long time ago in France. His name was Claude Debussy, and he liked to write music for the piano, for people singing. He liked to write music for whole orchestras of instruments, violins, trumpets, flutes, drums, pianos, all sorts of things. Somebody who writes music is called a composer. And every week we're going to think about the music of a different composer. So this week in Morning Music, you can listen to Claude Debussy. This piece of music that he wrote is played on the piano and it's called Clair de Lune, which means moonlight. This is a piece of music about moonlight. Debussy wanted to make people think about how lovely the moonlight was, how beautiful it was at night time when everything is dark, but the moon is shining brightly. Now, while we're listening to this piece of music, what I'd like you to do is to draw. So when you hear the music, think about how it makes you feel. Does it make you want to draw a picture of something, like a beautiful flower, or a cat, or the sea, or a picture of yourself with a big smiley face? Maybe it makes you want to draw a picture of moonlight with somewhere outside with trees and hills and maybe the moon shining down on everything. Or maybe it makes you want to do some shapes and not do a picture of anything at all. Sometimes when I'm listening to this music, it makes me draw lovely, long, winding, twirly lines. And sometimes it makes me want to go dot, 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 and do lots of little sharp shapes. Sometimes it makes me want to go scribble, 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 scribble. And then other times it makes me want to do delicate little circles and twirls. But it depends how the music makes you feel. So, if you feel that the music is very peaceful and quiet, you might want to draw something very gentle. But if the music makes you feel excited, you might want to draw something like fireworks. It's absolutely up to you. So, have a listen to Debussy and his beautiful piece of music for the piano, Clair de Lune, moonlight.